Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you will get a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. No Discord rooms or Telegram chat rooms. Well, guys, speaking of reports, we just released a report to our subscribers on a Nasdaq gold company that has a great chart. This stock is breaking out with gold prices rising to almost $2,000 and many analysts saying we are going much higher. This is a sector to start paying attention to. You can read our full report by signing up. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on with your email on any of the pop-ups at insiderfinancial.com. In terms of the overall market, although the near-term future for the Fed policy remains murky, stocks are rising. We saw renewed buying in tech stocks help lift the major averages following a mild risk-off day on Tuesday. Tuesday was a very tight trading range. The Nasdaq Composite ended up 1.8%, S&P 500 up 1.4%, and the Dow up 1%. What we're looking at for going forward right now, there's just a lot of optimism around a few major tech names. Both Intel and Micron rose by roughly 8%, with the former climbing in response to strong guidance for its newest chip, and Micron rising from optimism with the analysts on their outlook for the company. The other driver right now seems to be an easing of worries regarding the state of the economy more broadly. It's clear that what investors are banking on is that the banking crisis is, at least for the moment, under the control of regulators. In other words, this is the most bullish banking crisis I have ever seen in my life. This could possibly be the most bullish banking crisis in history. Again, if you were sleeping or in a coma and when you woke up and you heard all this news, and then you look and you see that the S&P 500 is still above 4,000, you just scratch your head and say, okay, we can go back to sleep. Going forward tomorrow, we get GDP data, and then on Thursday we get core PCE inflation data. So Friday is the big day in terms of economic data. From our weekend video, I talked about 9 penny stocks that I covered in the video. 3 of them I've just gone absolutely banging. First up is Brds, up 105%. Almost 11% of the float is short. Insider buying at 13 cents. This is what I told everyone in the weekend video. You can go and check out our latest video, or go to insiderfinancial.com and you can see I talked about top penny stocks: TRKA, HLBZ, GTII, FNGR, BRDS, SI, BBBY, and ABML. And TRKA running today up 72%, up 50% in the close, up more in the after hours, and it's, like I said, up 72% since I talked about it in the weekend video. GNS, a $36 million market cap, is offering to buy the company. Roger James Hamilton is the CEO. He's out with some tweets today. This is what he had to say. He's very active on Twitter. let's see here. He says here, also Genius Group has sent to Troika Media a non-binding offer to acquire TRKA together with a proposal on capital restructure. As agreed with Jefferies, terms are confidential. Offer approved by GNS board. Proceeding subject to TRKA go ahead or not. I believe there are great synergies between TRKA expertise in reaching and engaging millions effectively and GNS education model to build LTV, which is long-term value. An offer isn't any guarantee acquisition will occur as acceptance, DD approvals, etc. all required. Also, TRKA is one of multiple companies GNS is in discussions with. However, in 2023, we are committed to an M&A strategy to get critical mass to fight naked shorts. I'm skeptical on this. I'm not going to blow smoke up you guys' wazoo. But again, follow the price action, trade them. Don't own them. Don't fall in love with any of these penny stocks. Make that money. Move on to the next play. That's all I can tell you guys. And, do not fall into the diamond hands, paper hands BS. It's all about P&L at the end of the day, end of the week, end of the month, etc. It's all about putting food on your family's table. ABML up 30% this week. As I said in the weekend video, if this one was on Nasdaq or NYSE, this would be $5 already. There's a lot going on with this company. I've talked about it in depth on other videos. So again, I'm not going to rehash the same thing for all my regular listeners. But there's 5 low floaters that are on my radar for the rest of the week. First up is SGBX. This is just a $9 million market cap company. They are out with earnings today after the close. They reported 476% year-over-year increase in construction services revenue for the fourth quarter of 2022. Reports construction pipeline in excess of $800 million. They completed vertical integration to support margin expansion through in-house production of modular units. Current and planned manufacturing facilities expected to support up to $150 million in annualized revenue. Projecting positive cash flow within SG Echo in 2023. The company anticipates Q2 spin out of Safe and Green Development Corporation and listing on Nasdaq. Company is hosted the earnings call, so we'll be getting an update here shortly when the transcript is dropped. So we'll be reading that, looking for more updates on this one for our subscribers. So if we see anything to add to SGBX, we'll send out a report to you guys. But again, just a $9 million market cap, a lot going on, big press release. This one here, coming off 52-week lows, so put it on your radar screen. Next up is CRKN. This is just a $2.8 million market cap. Nasdaq. The company put out a press release. Their fiber optics division third customer expanding U.S. presence. Total project value estimated at up to $30 million, with leading infrastructure solutions provider expanding Crown's customer base and geographic coverage to the Southwest, complementing multi-state operations already in the Great Lakes and Northwest. And guys, I'm talking about these because talking about stocks that have already ran, that doesn't help you guys. It's all about finding the next ones that can run. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not saying these are going to run, but I'm putting stocks on your radar, just like I did over the weekend. And we got 3 big winners. Not everyone's going to be a winner, but the key is, and I can't stress this enough, play the momentum. It's not about buying dips. It's not about buying red days. I hate when I see people on Twitter, talk about, red day, I can pick up more cheapies. You have no clue what you're talking about. Penny stocks, small caps are all about momentum. Trade them, don't own them. Cheapies, on red days. That's Warren Buffett buying Apple on red days. That's, do not take the Warren Buffett philosophy investing and try to apply it to small caps and penny stocks. You're going to get absolutely killed. So again, is trying to help you guys as much as possible, providing education here at insiderfinancial.com, but we are not financial advisors. Moving on, LGMK, just a $4.2 million market cap. This is another one out with earnings today. They announced strong revenue and margin growth for the year ending 2022. Company said revenue growth of 19% in 2022. Gross profit increased 25%. Gross margin was 60.7%, up 300 basis points from 2021. That's very, very good. New hires here appointed Brady Farrell as Vice President of Sales, appointed Garrett Hunter as Senior VP of Marketing. So again, a company that's hiring people, expanding, growing revenues. They just did an offering in January, raised $5.2 million in gross proceeds. So they're not looking to do a dilution, coming out here and bag hold everyone. The capital raise has already been done. The company has $7 million on its had $7 million on its balance sheet before the completion of the capital raise. So over $12 million on the balance sheet, and again just a $4.2 million market cap. So again, undervalued situation, a lot of opportunities here. So LGMK, get this one on your radar screen. Next up is COMS, C-O-M-S. This is a reverse, they did a reverse split earlier this year. Chart is looking good, getting a rounding bottom. Just a $7.6 million market cap. This is very, very compelling situation, low float. A lot of people have been following this name. I think this one can really get going. And again, right now, I don't want to say small cap season is here, but again, as for those of you that follow my channel, I talk about, when markets are hot, that's when you really want to go looking for opportunities, have more stocks on your radar screen. When markets are down, like I said, you got to focus on what's happening in the overall market, because that is what, if the S&P is, if the overall market is higher, that's when people start speculating, looking for low float, short squeeze plays. If the market's dropping, no one's looking, you can't squeeze a stock because everyone's just dumping. Everyone's, scared about they're going to lose money. So again, it's all about overall bullish enthusiasm. So again, it's certainly looking interesting that a lot of these names could start running. Next up, guys, is PBTS. This one here just has a $23 million market cap. They put out an update this week, corporate overview, shareholder update. The company's offerings range from software as a service to e-platforms and to smart devices for global trade, education, travel and leisure, and digital assets. The company's clients span a diverse range of global trade and cross-border participants to retail customers and educators. The company, since listed on Nasdaq, they've delved into sectors of the metaverse development, AI-based education, and cryptocurrency. So with Bitcoin above 28,000, AI, just the hot sector right now. So again, it's hitting all the buzzwords. So I think this one here, chart here looks to have bottom, up today 18%. Look for continuation this week, and again, we're just at 10 cents. So again, these low price Nasdaqs, I think they can really start running. Like I said, we saw TRKA. I mean, even Mullen, M-U-L-N, hit 9 cents, dipped under 10 cents. They came in, bought the dip. So again, I think you're going to see a lot of these low price, low float Nasdaqs to start making a move. So again, here are 5 to put on your radar screen. But again, we reserve our special reports for our subscribers. We focus on undiscovered small caps, penny stocks with major upside. And again, the only way to get our reports is by clicking that link in the description, or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. We have been delivering bangers for our subscribers. Well, with that being said, finally, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Also, smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.